our plank series. The first thing we're going to start off is just our knees to be full plank, just be prime or core warm up. So coming into your tabletop position, dropping the knees in, we're trying to come up, brace and hold, and back down. So we're focusing on 10 of these to start off. In between these, we can take a recovery, we take the pressure off the wrist joints. So we're trying to flow through the 10 in total, and then working into recovery for a second for the wrist joints. From there, then we're just going to come up into your single leg kickbacks, where we're trying to work through, again, 10 and 12, 5 each leg, sitting back in to recover and reset, and then we'll work into or extend it. So we're trying to keep that leg on a similar line as you work away in, trying to maintain the core connection, so as you push the leg out, it's going to challenge the balance as well. Again, going for 5 on one side, 5 on the other, just pushing the leg away from the midline of the body and back in. Recover again in between that, and then from there we're just going to work into that knee push out, and then we're going to try and add in a kick back. So the leg comes in towards the body, pushing into the kick back. 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Again, as we work that heel towards the roof, we're trying to maintain that core plank position. We're trying to avoid pushing the hips up with it. Maintain that core, just work to feel a good connection, and back in. 5 inside, and back in to recover. And then our last one then is going to try and go into that full plank, hover, switch. And again, we'll progress to 4 each side, just working through that 8 before we go into the recovery. We will flow through those sequences through 5. See how that feels in the body. We can do 2 rounds of them in total. Always recovering for a second, give the wrist a recovery, a breath in between every exercise.